Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video I am going to start off with showing you exactly how my downstairs was looking. My kids were downstairs, one was eating, other one was doing schoolwork. Everything is kind of hectic in my kitchen at the moment. We had made lasagna and I needed to put that away. There's food on the floor because we had recently went to grocery shopping, but I am going to start a timer because I wanted to see about how long it took me to clean up my home. Especially now that I'm pregnant, I'm moving a little bit slower, so I really wanted to see how long it took. And we are starting off with cleaning up my living room.
Cause you know we got it. Chemistry, oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry, oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it. Chemistry, you make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night. Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. Cause you know we got it. Chemistry, oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry, oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it. Chemistry, it's coming over me. It's everywhere I see. It feels like ecstasy. Our chemistry surrounds me. Wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. Cause you know we got it. Chemistry, oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry, oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it. Chemistry. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price.
Okay, so I had to stop the time because I clearly had to do dinner and everything. So my timer stopped at 34 minutes and 33 seconds. I came back to start cleaning up and I forgot to start my timer, but this portion of me cleaning was about 14 minutes. So it took me about, I'll say about 48 minutes to completely clean my living room. Of course, I had to stop because I had to feed the kids and everything like that and finish schoolwork and stuff like that. But to completely clean my downstairs, it took about 48 minutes.
I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turned around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up.
We're starting in a new day. I am going to be cleaning and doing a whole lot of laundry, but I wanted to show you guys this baby bump. This baby bump is about I was 34 weeks, about to be 35 weeks the next day, and this baby is growing. He is super healthy and I am just amazed with how big my belly is getting. And I do have to wear a support belt thing now because how big he's getting, and I'm so happy about it though. Like this is probably the longest pregnancy I've had. I had my daughter at 35 weeks and of course my miscarriage at 22 weeks. So this is by far the longest pregnancy I had, and I am in love with every moment of it. But enough of me rambling about this baby. I am starting with all of the laundry here. This is so much laundry motivation, so I hope you guys are ready. I am starting off with the towels and my kids' bed sheets.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but
I separated my kids' clothes and put that on the bed, and then I separated as well my husband's stuff and my stuff. All of it was kind of piled on the floor because this honestly was about a week and a half worth of laundry that I just never got to, and I've been so tired lately at the end of this pregnancy. It's really been taking all of my energy, and I've really just been focusing on myself and really just trying to get rest and just getting prepared for this baby, because Braxton Hicks contractions have really been kicking in, and I am really just trying to prepare myself wholeheartedly for this baby.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. It's time that we put out the fire. With every breath I breathe you out. We just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it.
And that's it. We're all done. I'm just going to finish putting all of our clothes away.
My heart can't take it any longer. This careless love is getting old. Let's face it, we're not getting younger. If all is said and done, it's time we let it.
Hey guys, if you're making it to this part of the video, that means we have reached the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do consider. We have a whole lot going on on this channel, so I hope you're ready for it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.